Hello, Alkaline. Respect for who they man, being man, everybody over there go and do the right thing. Respect to them, man. When the cause a rich man name to man. And love for Alkaline carry name.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them love.
Don't know things that you don't know Media Fox, Yeah, man. But people, what she say? You see me something post. You see me them say yo Alkaline donate something. You see me? When I don't know Alkaline stay already. The man no love the media, the controversy and all of these things. You understand? But you don't know people have a lot to say. So basically the person I say yo the page I post name must be one umbrella sport. You understand? Andent, sport andent, yeah, on IG. So basically, they must say Alkaline is very much involved in helping people affected by Hurricane Melissa. A family member told one Umbrella Sports and Entertainment correspondent Jasmine Tate that one of the most prominent dancehall artists said his love for Jamaica doesn't have to be as he came from humble beginnings and just want to make somebody's life better, not to get highlight or look like he's trying to shine. The family members say that if he chooses to go public, he will do so in his own time, not to keep up with the hype. The key man has his unique way of doing things. So, you don't know Alkaline stay already, give back. Alkaline love the media. Remember, we in a social media world, people where a lot of people do things to the social media, do things to them brand, it good and it bad. In a way, you see, sometimes some people just, rather than just give the things they don't know, they want to give and video and everything, and which is good in a way if you say, you motivate others to do things and your people follow them thing, put up them brand, them foundation, all of these things. Social media, world, but you gotta have some people who just stay to themselves. You understand? Stay to themselves where them just do things like without remember people. If the Hurricane Melissa never followed, how much of them people would do these things like on a regular basis? How much of them people done help out the people them? Because people before the hurricane, a lot of people did need help. It's just that, they may be not found out like no come talk. But Alkaline, you don't know, him is a man where him not really do things to the media or, him just want to help people. That's our main focus, not for forward out in the media and highlight certain things. And, because at the end of the day, it all boils down to helping but the people in the society. Because they done the crisis and the disaster damage and all of these things. So, in the comment, a lot of people say one bag of thing, but never comment for show you people. Look at this. I'm going to tell you, in a life, people. It no matter what Alkaline do, him always going to get the worst set of comments, them, the replies, them, and everything. Because it no matter if the youth are do good or bad, them still now highlight it. Them always go highlight the negative part. So when them forward out and them say, yo, how Alkaline now donate? Alkaline now do this. Maybe, Alkaline now show how other artists are do it or whatsoever in a situation, if you highlight theme brand or anything, But he might do it in a way. So that person ever forward out, them is just a people where maybe Alkaline help and them say, yo, Alkaline been helping. Him just now, maybe him found out on him own time or which we know Alkaline see. Alkaline now found out and do anything. You understand? Him just do him for do. Yeah, man, and get out of here. So, we have some people, if you look on the screen, people, you don't know the Gaza people them are going to run out. And them are going to run out with some slackness. So, if you see an artist, something put up about an artist, donate and help the picture. People them, right? Look on this now, people. Look on all them comment here. I'll show you how them stay now. Seeing? Them man always bring up that B word thing there. You understand? This party wash business and with look how man deal with situation at Jamaica right now. And look where the man them a bring up. Seeing? We see Cartel out there do him thing and we say, yo, do your thing. Yeah, help out the people them. We not try bring in no negative vibes because we know say the people them need it. Now, I look at thing followed up with Alkaline, you know. Them man in a comment. You understand? This is one I'm thinking name Desh. D-Shock or D-Shock cause. I say stop the cat. Remember your artist. Watch him friend. I get what? I get him be yo, I tell you about people. This is the situation where no matter what Alkaline do, it's just I go always get them type of energy. Say if the youth nah do nothing, them a go backlash. If he might do something, they might say, oh, you a lie, Mattel man, lie. Just because them not see him. Yeah. Because them used to be spotlighting. Everybody a show, yo, foundation, this, that. But when Alkaline a do it back then, seeing them now call out nobody and say, yo, oh, Alkaline a do this. You see, whatever Alkaline do good, them not see it. I tell the people, anything what Alkaline do good, them not see it. Them only see the bad part. Yeah, man. That's the situation. Cause if you are donate to the people, them, you don't need to forward out and say anything. You just donate to the people, them, just like that. Like, look how much people are give people things. Like, imagine a normal person and you say, alright, your neighbor forward out. I say, yo, you know, borrow something from you or you give them something. You know, come out to the public and say you give your neighbor something. You know, if you help, you just help. You don't need to go to the media and say, yo, people see that me help. You don't need to do that. That are your own will. You know? And to be honest, people, some of the people, them, yeah, I love so them are doing it, but some of them kind of OD when them are help. Them just want to be on the media, them just want, you know, just for the media promote them thing. And, you know, it'd be like, some people like you have this pop balloon thing. Some of them just forward for those get famous, get popular. Them not really want nobody. So some of the time, yeah, them might help out the people them and thing, but them just want that spotlight there. You know? Cause you know, you cannot send your team, you know, and you not for there. If you want there, it's fine. But if an artist just want help without media thing, and you know, because remember Alkaline been helping people before all of this. Enough people don't know that. Because why? The youth not highlight them thing there. Even not have to highlight these things. The people them who get the help, them know. Them appreciate it. You understand? At least people out there getting help, or maybe know say Alkaline, and them just say, yo, respect to him. Them not really business about the media. Them just want to know them get help. Alkaline them just want to know say, look here, me send out this, and it a help of you. It no need of. Because remember, you know, people, before social media, people been helping people. Nobody never did if you post it. No social media never did if you post and nobody have video and all. People just usually just donate, help people. Normal people just help people. If I carry down, it's like these people. When you're foreigner, you follow down with a suitcase or you ship a barrel. And you know, say, alright, get a person alcohol rice, you carry down one slippers, you get a person some pack out, you know, boxers or one t-shirt and yeah, help, yeah, you know. You don't need nobody the whole world now for know. But I realize that from social media gets so powerful, everybody have for the clout and the hype and the this and the that. Yo, me I tell people, but it shows say, yo, where them a call out the youth say him nah donate, where him there, and now them say a little thing. Zine, cause basically as somebody where, you know, link whatever, link the page and say, yo, Alkaline Ray. But you don't know Alkaline team maybe not go forward out and say, yo, them no need to do that either. So the person say, yo, if Alkaline want forward out and say him do this, it fee him own will, but you don't know him not really pre anything. Is it? Him not really pre anything to say, yo. Because nobody never did have to tell me say Alkaline. We know Alkaline have been donating. We know that. Bro, the man see the one bag of posting on everybody and bro, enough I think them all see in media. Some of them just OD for the clout and all of them. So the man, Man is just not that person. I just him just do things without, you know, need for highlight it. If you help somebody, you can just help somebody, you know. You don't need that for, yo, see me, I help that man, I give him 2 tissue, I give him this, I give him a bed, I give him a that. You just give back. Who want to do it on camera, do it on camera. Who want to do it without camera, just do it without camera. At the end of the day, the 2 person them a help the people them same way. Same way. But when we realize it's like everybody for sure what them a do. You understand? And so it work and everybody want in the media and the thing for say, yo, people just help, people are help. And at the end of the day, and Alkaline are no artist responsibility. So everybody do it for them willing heart. At the end of the day, the people might get help. And the government responsible for them. So if they might get help, they might get help. But Alkaline do film part. Him thing just stay low key. Him no want nothing go up on the media. Yo, me I do this and come on, man, people, man. What we are do? We are focused on the clout, the hype of helping, or we are help. If you know, say we are help for what we are do. Yes, a lot of people out there just do things, you know, for motivate others, but you gotta have people where they just not want, you know, highlight certain things. They don't need to do that. At the end of the day, who highlight and who not highlight, they might do the same job by helping out the people them. So them see a post say, yo, Alkaline, you know, this. Everybody I say, some of my people them say, yo, I lie this. I say, yo, no easy, you know. You know what the worst thing, people? A lot of artists we see now come out and do anything, you know. But what? Why we ever say, yo, them artists and not do nothing? When we don't sure, cause they maybe just not do it in the media or do it for the media. Tell me now, people. Why we ever call out an artist and not feed them responsibility? Eh? Enough artists, how much artists in the dancehall where we not see in the media and donate anything? Why we for call them out? Why suppose them want just do them thing without the media and everything? Why we call them out? When something happen or something post, I lie. You understand? But you don't know how humans stay and people stay already. You see me? No matter what you do. Once a set of people hate you, it no matter what you do in a life, it just always going to turn out to be negative. You know? But I just one of them thing the people. And we just have to give thanks, big up Alkaline and him team, you know. No say, yo, people them out there get them help and support, you know. Just one of them thing there. Team now for post it or anything. See it? For sure, you know, people. Remember, you know, somebody, the page reach out to them, you know, and say, yo, you see it? At the appreciation where the person get the stuff or whatsoever them get from Alkaline or him team, the people them just grateful and come talk about it. Remember, you know, and from him team, as somebody will get it and get the help, come talk out. You know, and know say, yo, the youth are help. You know, maybe as somebody will say, yo, this not look good, cause the youth are help, but some people are say, yo, him not help. Yeah. But I want them thing there, man. You have to just know, say, yo, in a life, it no matter what you do, you just now go please everybody. You know? And no matter what you do, people are always a bad thing for say. Once them narrate you, you know. So if you build a house to somebody, them are gonna say, yo, that no build good. Yo, what kind of cheap material them there? And if you don't build it, they might say, yo, wicked and you know help people, you're enough with the people. I just say thing go yeah, man. You have to just focus on what you do. I don't focus on what people are saying. You understand? And you control your system and the people. Cause look here, you see them people them will cheer you up today, you know. I see them people them will bring you down tomorrow. So you just have to live your life and please yourself. You understand? Do what you want to do. And do your thing at your pace at your time. Is it? So I just one of them thing the people. So bless up on yourself, you know. Don't know a media facts, you know. Yeah man, big up my fans, is it? Yeah man, that is it.